You know that sinking feeling when you take the cover off the pool and it looks like a swamp? That's exactly what I was dealing with a few weeks ago. Dirt, leaves, and gunk everywhere. You name it, it was in the pool. So I ordered an Aiper Scuba S1 to see if it might make things a little cleaner. The Scuba S1 cleans all by itself. All I had to do was turn it on, drop it in, and watch. And honestly, I was impressed right away. It picked up everything in its path, big leaves, fine dirt, even that stubborn debris that usually lingers at the bottom. It didn't just stay on the floor either. It climbed my pool walls and even cleaned up along the waterline, which made a huge difference to how clean the pool looked. When it was time to empty and clean the filter, it couldn't have been easier. Just a quick rinse and it was ready to go again. That part I absolutely loved. But it's not perfect. The S1 did miss some spots, especially on the steep slope from shallow to deep. That said, for the price, it made my pool a lot cleaner. So, would I recommend it? Absolutely. The Aiper Scuba S1 isn't flawless, but for the cleaning power and ease of use, it's pretty incredible. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. I do earn a commission if you use my link, so thank you for the support. Like and subscribe for more product reviews.